My question is regarding the boycott. If your father told you to boycott someone, must you comply?
The father's boycotting as well is different. Father himself boycotting his children, that's a boycotting which is allowed. Like Abdullah ibn Umar, he boycotted one of his sons and he did not speak to him until he died. Completely. And I don't think his son was as bad as our sons. He was really, mashallah, a good one. But because he did not, he did not stop at the limit. When he said to him, Prophet ﷺ, he said, "La tamna'u ima'akum min al-masjid." Do not prevent your wives, your women, your daughters from going to the masjid. They want to the masjid. He said, "Wallahi lanamna'hun." By Allah, we will prevent them. He said to him, I say to you, Prophet ﷺ said, don't prevent them. And you say, you want to prevent them? Wallah, I'm not going to speak to you until you, that's it. He did not speak to him until he died. Did not speak to him. Now, let's just investigate his son here. Did he say it? Did he say it because he wants to oppose the Prophet of Allah? Nonsense. He said it because the women had done so much bad that if it was at the time of the Prophet of Allah, he would have prevented them, because he is jealous onto the women of the Prophet, to the women of the Muslims. That's why he wants to prevent them from coming to the masjid, because they're coming with their perfume, with this, and this is at his time. Now, Allahul Musta'an. That's a different case. Now, if your father told you to boycott somebody, and if it is correct, you should boycott him. That means if it is he's right, don't boycott him because he's an innovator, boycott him is no good, boycott him. But if he told you to boycott somebody whom you're not supposed to boycott by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, like for example, boycott your mother. I'm not going to boycott my mother. لا طاعة لمخلوق فيما. There is no obedience to any creature who is going to ask me to disobey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay, so I cannot boycott your brother. I cannot. Okay, I cannot boycott him. Boycotting means that I have to not even to say salam to him, nothing. Keep away from him. Wallahu ta'ala a'lam. But at the same time, you implement that in a way which will minimize the heat argument is going to take place between you and your father. Because you don't want to end up your father boycotting you because you're not boycotting that person who told you to boycott. Nah.
Jazakallah khair.
Barakallahu feek.